Hi friends, welcome to Tanvi's garden. For the last few days I have been not able to upload any videos because it was raining a lot over here. It was very heavily raining and today the weather is a bit good. So I am here today with a new video. So today I am going to show you how you can make moss stick out of the things which are easily available at home. And you don't need to spend any money for that, so stay tuned. Look at this plant. This is a money plant, and actually I propagated this money plant two months back, and see how well grown it is. It is very healthy, and the tips how I have grown this and how I propagated, all this I will share with you in another video. And as this is fully grown now it requires a support like moss stick. If we put a moss stick over here, it will grow well as it will look very beautiful after few days. Actually why we use moss stick is that moss stick helps the plant to grow very in an improved way, and if we put moss stick, the leaves become bigger in size. It increases its size. And suppose if we put money plant in water, it's grow very slowly. Its growth is slow, and compared to moss stick in soil, the growth is also slow. And if you want to grow the money plant faster, the best way is moss stick. So now, and after this, you can see over here the roots are coming out of the stem like this. So if we add moss stick to this plant, if we put a moss stick, then these roots, it absorbs the moisture which are in the air as well as in the surface. So its development is very fast, and it improves its growth in a speed manner. And if the leaves become big, then it looks very beautiful over a moss stick when it's become bushy. So look here, there are some things over here. To make this moss stick, you need one bamboo, a piece of jute sack, this one, jute rope, and this is cocoa fiber which we get from coconut tree. We need these things to make this moss stick. Now I will show you how to make the moss stick at home. So you have to put this mat, this sack like this, and here is the coconut core, coconut fiber. You have to place it like this, one after another, like this. Go on placing in the whole sack. I have completed putting the coconut fiber or core, you can say, over the jute sack. Now what you need to do is take the bamboo stick. Just watch what I am doing. Okay, I am taking this bamboo, and what I will do, I will leave this part from here so that I can put it in the pot, and the other part I will roll like this, like this. The whole sack I will roll like this. I have completed rolling the whole sack jute net like this. And what now I will do is, this is a jute rope. I will tie it all over this by rolling it in the same way. First you need to tie a knot over here. Like this, and after this you need to roll it. Now I have completed tying the rope like this, and as you can see the top part is messy. So what I will do, I will take a piece of jute sack like this, and again I will tie it so that it takes the shape. I have tied it like this, so now it's looking like a moss stick. Actually, I don't buy like these things which I can prepare at home, so I made it by myself. You have seen this. Now what I will do is that I will put this moss stick in this pot. I will remove the stones which I had put over here. Now I will put this moss stick in the pot. Now what I will do is that I will take all the coming out stems like this around the moss stick. Wait till like this, and I have taken a rope, this one. Okay, I am tying a rope, and once the roots are developed and it get attached to this moss stick and it becomes big, you can remove this rope from here. Now I have completed putting the moss stick in the pot, and now comes the watering part. The watering part is that if you are putting it indoor, then you need to water once in a week, and if you are putting it outdoor, then you need to water it twice in a week. And as this is summer season, you need to water a bit more, suppose in a week like twice, or next week you can put it once in a week. Again next week you need to water it twice. Like that you can follow a routine. Hope you will like the video, and if you liked it, please press the like button and subscribe my channel Tanvi's Garden. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.